Okay, hello. Um, my name is Melissa Mtero. I am the librarian responsible for client and outreach services, and today I will be covering issues to do with our catalogue, how to use the OPAC to make best use of our services. So I'll just share my screen. Okay, like I'd said, today we'll be covering the library catalogue, how to use it, what is it, and how to use it to get access to our resources and things like that. So a catalogue is a list of all the items within a library. So we can also refer to it as a register of all bibliographic items found in a library or group of libraries. We say group of libraries because we have more than one. It's a catalogue that's showing what's within each of our different libraries, and then it is a way that our collection is explained to the user. So we are speaking of both some of the digital resources and the physical ones, and then is explained with all those other points. The main function is to help to exploit the resources of the library. So in short, the catalogue is there to help you know your collection and help you exploit that collection well. So the functions: one is to enable a person to find a book of which either the title, the author, or the subject is known. So what we're saying here is if you know the author of a publication, you can find a resource within the catalogue as long as it's there. If you know the title or if you know the subject. So it's also to show what the library has. So given, just like on top, if you have the author or you have a subject of a given kind or a given kind of literature, you can search within the catalogue to see whether or not we have that resource. And it's also to assist the choice of book. So the catalogue will show you that we have maybe the first edition, the second, third, etc. So it's in that way you choose the one that you actually want. If you want the 7th edition, you then know that they have the 7th edition, and then you choose from there. So highlighted here is the CZ Library Catalogue. So we have an online public access catalogue, which means it's there, it's available online. So if you go on to our website, that's library.cz.ac.zw, under catalogue, if you click on this menu, this drop down appears, and then you click on OPAC. So once you click on OPAC, this is the interface. This is where you now search for your information. So just for example, I typed here sustainable development. So just like Google or your other search engines, it has a search bar where you look for the information that you want. So you just type here and then you can go on. So besides typing, you can decide whether you want to search by title, by author, by subject, ISBN, ISSN, series number, or call number of the book. So you can use either of this. That's to construct a specific search. So you can use all of those to search, and also you can if you are in our satellite libraries, and you can check if it's there within your site. So maybe for Bulawayo campus, you want to see if this resource is there in the physical library at your campus. You then select the site, your respective library. If you want books that are in the digital library, just click digital library. These ones are accessible for everyone within all the different campuses. So once you are done constructing your search and you've entered, this one was we had searched for introduction to business management, then we clicked enter, and then the first thing you get on when you get to the results page, you use the refine section to maybe make sure that you have resources that speak to exactly what you're looking for. So you can limit it to currently available items. That means you only get to see the items that are available within the library. And then you can also limit to specific authors. So for example, I want business management books that are by Evans Desmond. Then I just limit to that, and then it will show me whether or not the library has it, and then if it is available, then you see it will tell you that the item is available for loan, and it will tell you the campus that it's housed in, and also the location. So the call number will be the location where the book is. So if you just use this number, and then if you need assistance, you don't understand, when you get to the library, you just ask for assistance, and we will help you. So this is the results page. So same applies even with the digital books. That's where you are told that it is an online book, it is a digital book, and then you click on the link, and then you can have access to it. So yeah, today we were just trying to cover how you look for resources on the catalog, and how best you can refine your search to ensure that you find the things that you're looking for. So that's what we had today. Are there any questions? I see we have Golden. Do you have any questions? Sorry, I didn't hear you. Thank you so much. Ivan, do you have any questions? All right, thank you. So if there are no questions, thank you so much for joining. We'll see you in the next training. Have a good day.